Hello, welcome back to our Scratch Coding adventure. So kids, in the last video, we learned how to make our character move using motion blocks. Our cat was able to walk around everywhere on the stage. But today, we are going to make our character talk, think, disappear, and even change its costume. Yes, so today, we are going to learn this looks block. These blocks control how our character look on the screen. So let's jump into our project. In this project, let's change our sprite here. Okay, and delete this cat. Okay, so this is our new sprite. Let's change sprite drop. This is cool. Okay, so now go to looks block and drag this say hello for 2 seconds and place it under the event block of when flag is clicked. So when you click this flag, it will say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, so now our sprite is talking. But if you want to change the message, you can type your desired message here. Suppose hello supercoders, I am Anna. Okay, so when we click this flag, it will say hello supercoders, I am Anna. But for 2 seconds. If you want to display this message for a long time, so we can change the seconds from here. Now this message will appear on the screen for the 5 seconds. Okay, if you want to make your sprite think, so you can drag this think block like this before this say block. So now when you click the green flag, it will think for 2 seconds and then say, hello super goddess, I am Anna. Cool? So now let's learn a new thing, which is costume. You can see here there are 3 tabs, code, costume and sound. This is the code tab open when we are coding. Second is the costume tab. With each sprite we have multiple costumes attached. And what are the costumes? Costumes are nothing. They are the characters only, but they have like different poses or pictures of the same character. Okay, you can see with this sprite we have 4 costumes. That means we have 4 poses of this same character. Okay, now go back to codes and drag switch to costume 2. Now we have ABA, ABB, ABC. So when we click on this, after saying hello super goddess I'm Anna, it will switch to ABB. That means it will switch to its costume 2. And see, now I'm changing my next pose. Okay, after that you can next costume. So after seeing this, it will switch to next costume. Okay, so when we click the flag for 2 seconds, 5 seconds for hello super goddess I'm Anna. Now it will change its pose. Have you noticed that here it doesn't change its pose because it is already on that pose ABB. Okay, so if I click it again, now it will change to ABB pose here. And again back to next costume. Okay. Next is switch back to bedroom 2. Okay. Now this is the bedroom. Again, if we select this, it has backdrop 1 is this, backdrop 2 is this bedroom 2. So we are already on bedroom 2. If you want to add more backgrounds here, we can add. So now we have 3 bedrooms. We can delete this black one. Bedroom 1 is this. This is bedroom 2 and this is bedroom 3. Okay, go back to codes. So this is our bedroom 3. So switch backdrop to bedroom 2. That means after changing its next costume, the backdrop will change to bedroom 2. So let's click on green flag. See, that's changed its backdrop to next backdrop. Switch backdrop to bedroom 3, next backdrop. Okay, we can also change from here. Like if we don't want to change it to bedroom 2 always, you can switch it back to bedroom 1 as well. The next backdrop from here as well. Next backdrop. Now next is change size by 10. Okay, when we place it here, it will change the size by 10. Let's check this one. Changing my expose. Have you noticed this? That her size has changed by 10. Maybe you have not noticed this because we have long chain of instructions here. So let's make it simple and change the size by 30. Okay. Now when we click on the flag, see size has changed. In the same way, we can put it as like -30. Okay, so in this way we can increase or decrease the size of our backdrop. Size of our sprite. So next is set size by 100%. That is by the value and this is by the percentage. If we do this, click on green flag, set size to 100%. That means it is set to its actual size. If we do this 150%, it will increase its size by 150%. Okay, so next is our change color effect by 25. That means the color of the sprite will change by the effect of 25, like this. Okay, you can change it to 60, whatever the effect you want, like this. So this one is when we are changing the color by any effect. If we want to set the color to any specific effect, we will use this block, set color to 0 or something, whatever we want. If you change it to 0, it will reset to its original value. If we want to change it to 10, it will change slightly. So this is set color or change color effect. Clear graphic effect. If we put some effect over here and when we click on this, it will clear all the effects and it will reset the colors of that sprite. So this is the hide one. It will hide the sprite. And if we put the show here, it will. I think I should change the things here. Let's put some hello something like this. Say hello. Or say say hello for 5 seconds. Hello. Now we will hide the sprite. Okay. Say hello. Right. Now. Sure. Now it will appear for 5 seconds and it will disappear after 5. Okay, so this is the effect of show and hide. So next is go to front layer, back layer. If we have multiple layers, front and back, like suppose if we have one more sprite here, suppose we have pen here, okay, and pen is here. So pen is on top of that curl. So if I want this to come over this, so I will put go to front layer. Okay. Five seconds, it come on that other sprite. So this is the use of front, go to front and back layer. Go to forward one layer. If we have multiple layers, suppose we have one more and it is bowl. So the very bottom layer is Ben, then Abby, and then bowl. Now we have 3 layers and I want Ben to come just over the Abby. So I just want Ben to come over Abby. That means just to go forward one layer. So when I click the flag, it comes over Abby, but it is still down the third sprite, which is bowl. Okay. So next is this costume number, costume name, background number, background name, and size blocks. These blocks can be used in combination with the other blocks where we want to pass any value or variable to other block. So we can use them like this. And this block used inside the other block like this. Okay. So this is all about the looks block. So what we have learned today, we have learned about the say block, think, next costume, sprite costume, change backdrop, next backdrop, change size, hide and show. These are all for looks blocks because they control how sprite looks or appears on the screen. So you are now becoming a real Scratch animator. In the next video, we will make our project even more exciting by adding sound effects and music. Okay, so comment below. I can make Sprite talk, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So goddess, bye. See you in next video.